How did idea of Mummy on the Roll begin?
It was during COVID only that all the moms were coming up with these new ideas that, how are we spending time with our kids? So we were documenting all of that and putting it on our pages. I thought of Mummy on a roll because that's grammatically correct. But then I thought that Mummy on the roll will be short for mother.
You feel that this episode that you're shooting is for actually housewives?
I feel that, they fear that, if they do not follow their routine, and if they do not take care of the children, take care of their traditional role, their life will not go as smoothly and as comfortably as they have planned. I did not expect my father also to be so supportive, my father-in-law in fact as well. So I actually told him like 3 days before the pageant that, Papa, I'm going. क्या बात करें, आज तक हमारी फैमिली में कोई गया नहीं है ऐसे. So when I won and came, his reactions and he called up everybody on his contact list. हमारे साहनी खानदान को तो इसने रोशन कर दिया है and and I felt so proud.
So ever wonder what the meaning of effort is? हम कहते हैं ना कि हम श्रम कर रहे हैं, परिश्रम कर रहे हैं, मेहनत कर रहे हैं. उसका असली अर्थ क्या है? उसका क्या मीनिंग है? सी जो भी आप कर रहे हो, जो भी आप करना चाहते हो, यू कैन नॉट एस्केप दैट. उतना डेडिकेशन तो उसके लिए करना ही है. सो व्हेन पीपल से गिव योर 100% एंड दैट इज एफर्ट, आई डोंट थिंक इट इज एफर्ट. 100% इज व्हाट यू सपोज टू डू, क्योंकि अगर आप 100% नहीं कर रहे, दैट मीन्स आप उसके अंदर आपका लगन, आपकी लगन ही नहीं है उसके अंदर. यू आर नॉट इन्वॉल्व्ड इन इट इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग इट 100%. Even 99% won't do, You will miss the mark, you'll miss the goal, So 100% when you put into something, that is not effort, according to me. Effort is beyond that 100% when you put that 1% extra. That makes the difference, और वो 1% डालने के लिए, what that 1% stands for? That 1% stands for faith. It stands for belief, it stands for consistency, it stands for, non-challenge belief जिसे कहते हैं कि चाहे कुछ हो जाए, because 100% आप effort डाल रहे हैं, उसका result नहीं आ रहा, क्योंकि पहुंचने में तो time लगेगा मंजिल पे. और अपने आप को बढ़ाते रहना, अपने आप को प्रोत्साहित करते रहना और अपने आप को कहते रहना, क्योंकि कोई नहीं कहेगा आपसे. Nobody will say. My mother used to say a wonderful thing when I was a kid. हम लोग शैतानी करते थे, तो आते थे तो लोग कहते थे ये यहाँ शैतानी कर रहा था या वहाँ कर रहा था, relatives, family, friends and all that वगैरह. So she used to say one thing, कहती, whatever you do, somebody is hitting a spade on the ground. वो गड्ढा खुद रहा है. And you will be buried in that. And if you achieve everything will get covered. नहीं तो that hole gets deeper and deeper and the whole world is out there to put you in that and bury you for good. ठीक है ना? तो वो जो 1% है ना, that 1% faith, that is effort which takes you to the goal. Why am I saying this? Because we came across such a fabulous, fantabulous, fantastic personality just about a month and a half ago, who is, literally shaken the world of fashion and pageantry. She's a mummy on the roll. Yeah, that's what her Instagram handle is. Do go and check it out. And she won Mrs. India Planet 2024. She is the title winner and also Mrs. World Queen 2024, the international title holder. A person with so much of zest who one day woke up and said that, no, I need to do something for myself, because you see, only you are responsible for yourself. Nobody else is. And she said, no, I'm not going to blame anybody else in my life. It's me. मैं हूँ, जो भी मेरी लाइफ में हो रहा है उसका कारण. और इस क्लैरिटी को लाने के लिए ना जिंदगी निकल जाती लोगों की. We have with us the fantabulous Meghal Sahni, winner of Mrs. India Planet 2024. Thank you so much, Meghal, for choosing to come on the show. It's I'm really happy to have you. Second time, because first time I announced your name when you won the pageant. That was something amazing. And today you are here with us on the Great Indian Brand Show. It is such a wonderful feeling.
Thank you so much, Sudarshan sir, for this beautiful introduction. Your energy is magnanimous, and I really could not have thought of a better introduction, a better way to, introduce myself. I could not do this. Thank you so much.
But I have to thank you for that, because what you have written over there, the Google form that we shared, to understand what you do and all, it gives an idea who the person is. It's flesh and blood and a lot of soul put into it, तो वो मतलब वो है क्या, वो spirit क्या उसकी, and you written it so well that it actually, and the way you have written, especially in the parts where you said that, empowering women, where you have written, and like in COVID, you joined the mothers ka network,
yes.
and mothers tribe, mother tribe and all that. And then, why are we blaming ourselves? Why don't we work on ourselves and, step out and step into the open and take that decision and do it. And then again, aapne kitni jagah, the way you've written about Gleam Diva ke andar, jo camaraderie that all you wonderful women had amongst yours, it was so heartening to see. It shows the inward character of you, the spirit that you have. Because only a beautiful person who is beautiful from within, that beauty can write something like that. It cannot come out of imitation or just out of words. So, pata lagta hai. So,
Thank you so
the
much.
credit for that actually goes to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So I'll go with first the mummy on the roll thing. I mean, it's such a catchy name, such a beautiful name. How did you get that name, and how did the idea of mummy on the roll begin?
So it was, as you said, it was during COVID only that, we were at home, and I am a person जो घर पे ऐसे नहीं बैठ सकते. I want to do something at all times.
Yeah.
And that is when I think all the moms were coming up with these new ideas that, how are we spending time with our kids? So we were documenting all of that and putting it on our pages. And then I think all of us started naming our pages. I thought of mummy on a roll because that's grammatically correct. But then I thought that mummy on the roll will be short for mother. So that is how mummy on the roll started. So initially it was just my, my personal page where I was just documenting everything, how I'm spending time with my kids, because उस टाइम पे वही हो रहा था कि सबको घर पे बैठे हुए बच्चों को कैसे एंटरटेन करना है. उस टाइम पे everybody had this thing. So that is what I was doing, and I was documenting every day of COVID. Ki, how are we what the recipes that we were cooking and the games that we were playing, everything. It was so much fun because I was getting to spend quality and constructive time with my kids.
Yeah.
And we were having fun while doing it.
Yeah.
But धीरे-धीरे करके, after COVID got over, I started getting brand campaigns as well, and it just,
So brand campaigns, मतलब किस तरीके के brand campaigns?
बच्चों वाले brands ही आते थे. So I did a shoot for.
So you were into modeling ever since? Is that it?
You can call, I won't call it modeling, but yes, content creation ke saath, I think these are just added features that come in.
Okay. Yeah. So the way you created your content and people saw and they saw that and they should approach you for this thing.
Exactly, for brand promotions.
Oh, you have a beautiful photogenic face, the way it is there. Your as it is beautiful, but your Insta, I've seen the page and all. I mean, it stands out.
Thank you so much.
Really stands out. Amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I guess that's how they said, this mummy is going to do the role for us now.
So I got like first cry shoots, and then I've done it for Kinder Joy as well.
Yes. Okay.
I've done a shoot for Kinder Joy as well, and many more like kids games and everything.
I understand.
Yes.
So that's how. Okay.
Yes.
So COVID actually transformed a lot of things. मतलब ठीक है. People got onto some things in life that they never imagined, and that has become the calling for them. But still, it was a tragic time then. Okay, let's keep that aside, and I'll ask you something else now. Were you always into modeling, or did you think that you would get into something like this?
No, it just happened, and I think it was meant to happen, and the universe made it happen for me. So my sister is a plus size model, and she wanted to do, get proper training for that. And after a lot of research, we found the Gleam Diva Academy. So I took my sister there and, to enroll her into their famous modeling course. And the founder of the institute, Mrs. Preeti Vasisht, I would say she found me at that time.
Absolutely. So, she definitely did.
Yes. So she just generally asked me, what do you do? I told her that I'm a mom of two, and and everything that I did at that time, my content
perfect
creation.
Case. Please come.
And she was like, you know what? You are meant for pageantry. You have to try it. Trust me.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad I did trust her, and
You
it
did the right
literally
thing.
changed my
You
life.
believe me, you did the right thing. I always think that, women should definitely get into this, irrespective of how they look, how they don't look, because it transforms your personality in ways that you can't imagine.
Definitely.
I'm sure you would have also seen that happening with
I
you.
found my purpose in life, Back to back, I used to get into so many businesses, starting something new every year. My husband calls me that Kader Khan of that movie. आज मैं अंधा हूँ, आज मैं बेहोश. He's like, आज तू क्या है? आज मैं drummer हूँ, आज मैं ये हूँ. So because I do something new, maybe because I don't find that sense of purpose. I keep on trying new things, and this
Yeah.
actually gave me that. I am actually very happy making other people happy. The Diva with a Purpose task that we were given, wherein I hosted a tree plantation drive, and
Wow.
so we planted so many trees. We got so many people together as a community.
Yeah.
That I feel is exactly what I want to do. And thanks to the pageant, I discovered my sole purpose.
And what would that be?
It is my dream to show my kids the world, the safe and the safe and healthy world that we grew up
So
in.
I was actually, mentioning this in one of the episodes to one of the participants, that what your dream was, a purpose was, and because I was very moved by that what I read,
Yes.
because मेरे को याद है जब मैं छोटा था, what we used to do,
Exactly.
loiter on the road और पार्क में लगी पाइप
the
से पानी
time.
पीते थे, वो hose pipe से, and we were like tough nuts to never crack.
Literally rolling
And
on the mud.
today, it's like, I don't know, but the way times have changed, the pollution levels, and you can't leave your kids alone even if they are 14 years old
Exactly,
today. So
exactly.
that is something that really bothers me a lot, because, it's very difficult for me to come to terms with the fact that I have to go and pick up my son from the bus stop,
Yes.
which is just about 250 meters away from my house, 150, 200 meters, and the school doesn't allow.
Exactly.
I am like, my God, what is happening? हम लोग तो
The worlds have changed.
third class time we used to walk 5 kilometers to the school.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that is, and what surprised me the most? My daughter was showing me a picture of a sparrow. Mama, this is a sparrow. I'm like, what? We have grown up seeing sparrows. How come you've just learnt it in
No,
school?
that is one sad thing, I'll tell you.
It is so sad.
When I read that,
Yes.
what to written, sparrows are extinct in Delhi.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that made me feel so sad because, mera pura bachpan was like seeing sparrows, having, going outside,
Same,
sitting in the
same.
garden with your family, my grandfather. It was a different feeling
The sound of the
altogether.
sparrow is so beautiful.
Yes.
I'll tell you, this used to happen in our house.
Yes.
Every morning, I used to live in Paschim Bihar in BG1. So 133, we had a balcony, it's a corner house.
Yeah.
And there was a tree just opposite. वो छोटे-छोटे गलियां होती थी ना, flats में जिस तरह से होते हैं, the alley for you to take a scooter, एक जा सकता है उसमें से. वहाँ पे एक पेड़ था, and every morning 10:30, sparrows would come and sit over there, and they would create a ruckus for my mother to go and feed them. और मैं वहाँ खड़ा होता था, वो चिड़िया शोर मचाती रहती थी जब तक मम्मी जाके उनको चावल का दाना रोटी ना डाले, और मैं वहाँ खड़ा होता था, and they would happily prancing and bouncing and
Exactly.
bouncing. They would come, they would and have that and go. That was,
A different time.
it's been different time. It's been 2 decades since I've seen that,
And you still remember that.
Yeah,
That
it's
is a
more than 2
huge
decades.
part
Two
of
and
the
a half
childhood.
decades. Because every morning I used to see that. College में आने के बाद school तो होता नहीं, तो कभी-कभार
Yes.
घर पे रह रहे and all that. And that chirping of the sparrows is, I miss it so much. I used to
True.
spend so much time over there.
Same.
So, well, what you're telling is very right. I wish
Exactly.
our children are able to, experience that kind of a
Yeah,
thing.
and going outside to play with, I used to be out the entire day playing with the colony kids and
We
everything.
were hellish and we were tomboys all of us.
Exactly. Exactly. And बच्चे like they take one step out of the house and I am worried to the core that, oh, ये एक step कैसे बाहर आ गया, इसको अंदर लेकर आओ. So it is not safe. So it is not healthy most of all. Let's not
Yeah.
talk about the air pollution at
Yeah,
all.
yeah,
So,
absolutely, absolutely,
yes,
absolutely.
my daughter was called back from school today itself. Today only I was called to school कि आज इसको लेकर जाओ, her throat is paining.
Oh my God.
AQI is 500. So we need to do something. I truly feel we have failed as a generation
Yeah.
to, provide our kids with that basic, the
As a
You know, the
collective
little
human
joys
being
of happiness.
responsibility, we
Yes.
have failed to a very large extent. I think we really need to cut down on our energy consumption, on natural resources consumption, and we need to actually, little by little, जो थोड़ा बहुत अपने end से कर सकते हैं, घर में भी 4
Exactly.
गमले लगा के, I think everybody should do that.
Definitely.
So that it is a better place to live. You look at the leaves over here on trees, they are black. You look at it on the mountains, they are green.
Yes.
So we have dark olive green shades here, whereas bright neon green
Green.
shades in the mountains.
Definitely.
Because I travel to mountains once in a while, and being an artist myself, so
Yes.
these things definitely hurt a lot. बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हो आप.
बस वही चाहिए. We need to bring back. We need to save the planet.
So now
Yes.
I'll ask you. So you think your purpose is that you would like to save as much of the planet as you can.
Definitely.
So tree plantation and everything that.
Yes.
Wonderful. We have a wonderful plant outside which you would have seen. We would like to gift it to you.
Oh my
It is by one of our gifting partners. It's called Grow Green Wonders. I'll gift you that plant when you are जब आप
Lovely.
जाओगे यहाँ से. So it's happy that all of these people have attached with us also. The purpose of the show is also to bring together an entrepreneur community and do something for people who are doing something. Like,
Right.
personalities like you. There are coaches around, there are, people from the service industry who are single person armies or companies
Wow.
and all, then brands and companies and all. So there's a platform जहाँ पे, people who are, जो शायद gross 15-20 लाख रुपए कमाते हो के साल के, वहाँ से लेके 15-20 हजार करोड़ जो कमाने वाले, everybody is welcome. That is
Right.
what makes India what it is,
Definitely.
And it's an ode to the entrepreneur community, because I think that is the backbone of the nation,
Yes.
and nobody talks about them.
Yes.
So
So true.
this was the entire thing, and
So true.
having you over here and talk about this thing is really heartening to me. Yeah. So any particular things that you have planned for yourself, for your purpose, like how you wish to take it ahead?
So now I'm working on a brand. It's called Artex Fashions. So
Okay.
it will be a sustainable fashion and organization brand.
Okay.
Yeah. So in that, all the clothes would be, the new clothes would be made out of organic fabrics,
Okay.
and all sublimation printing would be done, which is to avoid wasting water. So all that is still in pilot stage.
Okay.
It would be launched next year,
Okay.
and a lot is under planning. How can we bring in that change, and how can we save the planet? And because the cloth production market, the fast fashion as we call it, we need to slow it down.
Yeah, we had another participant with us. I think you would know. So the one who's been associated with Unilever for a long time, she's also been associated. Modo
Right.
Caldo, Jigyasa Jolly.
Yes.
So she was talking about this part today, that it fast needs to slow down. There's
Yes.
93% of wastage over there. And
Too
I
much
was
wastage.
literally shocked at that number,
Yes.
Absolutely.
We have to see our own wardrobes. They are
Okay.
overflowing.
Huh.
And how do we cut that down? So I'm coming up with something new, so that you can use one particular clothes in multiple ways.
In multiple ways,
Exactly.
Yeah, that's really interesting
Yes,
to know.
so-
Absolutely. So I'll ask you another thing, like now that you have actually won the pageant, what was your journey like? What did you do to get to that place, there must have been a lot of, I don't know, a regimen, diet, this,
Yes.
that, this, सारी चीजें मिला के.
वो
What was it like? So can you just shed light on that in another 3 minutes? What
So
you did for that?
to prepare for the pageant, of course, first thing was to work on my weight. So I joined Pilates.
Okay.
I had a proper skincare routine, a face yoga routine that I was doing very rigidly every day.
Religiously.
Religiously, yes. Religiously every day. But the one thing that was different from, I think this is something that everybody was doing.
हाँ.
जो आपने बोला ना 100% के
हाँ,
बाद
हाँ.
जो एक 1%
1% जो होता
होता
है,
है to win the pageant.
हाँ.
So I feel that 1% does not come from you.
हाँ.
It comes from the people around you.
Okay.
So I used my social media platform, and everybody, my entire Instagram family, they were with me throughout the journey.
Wow.
They were following everything, commenting on everything, and I'll show you the DMs that I got, that we know you will win, you have to get the crown.
Wow.
My husband was literally manifesting it every day. मतलब मेरे husband के बच्चों
I met
के-
him on that
Yes.
day. We just spoke for about 5-7 minutes. I think
Yes.
आपसे भी उस दिन सिर्फ 5-7 मिनट ही बात हुई
हाँ.
थी, because there was so much of rush going around. But yeah,
उनके फोनों पे मतलब माय नेम वाज सेव्ड एज मिसेस इंडिया प्लैनेट
क्या बात,
एंड स्टारबक्स की कॉफी आती थी उसके ऊपर मिसेस इंडिया लिखा हुआ होता था. So the people around me were literally they manifested it for me.
wow.
And that was the 1%. It was their belief.
Manifestation, wow.
Yes.
So like what I had said, you know, that 1%, the faith part is actually manifestation.
Exactly.
Well, actually, I didn't say anything different. It is the same thing.
Same
You're
thing.
putting it around in a way that people can, you know, comprehend what it is like.
Exactly.
Yeah, sometimes my language goes over the top, I know. But that's what it is, you know.
Yes.
Faith is the manifestation part.
Definitely.
बिल्कुल सही है कि अपने आप को push करते रहना उसके
हाँ,
लिए.
and my push actually came from the people around me. And not only, you know, my family, not only my Instagram family, the people at the pageant, my co-contestants, the way they were, you know, uplifting each other up, and मेरे को तो पूरा confidence ही उनसे आया था उस time पे.
Yeah.
So
There are
I
some
remember.
wonderful women out there. I had spoken to, मैं मिला था कईयों से, and
Beautiful.
amazing.
Everybody.
Yeah, they were so amazing.
कोई भी
yeah.
help चाहिए, we are there. You know, अच्छा, you know, इसको थोड़ा improve कर सकते हैं. So everybody was like
helping
behind
everybody.
each other and helping each other, pushing
That's
each
what the
other.
community should be doing.
Exactly.
You know? I don't think there's any competition with anyone, not even with yourself. I think it's only a matter of time.
Definitely.
And मेरा ये मानना है कि everybody has his or her destiny already written and carved.
True.
There are many stops on the way. The day you find your stop, you will flag post right there. You know, put a flag
Definitely.
post right there like you did. You know, मेरे ख्याल से ये है. So I think for those who did not win, it's not about winning. It's about okay, there is something else for you. Head on towards that.
Yes.
You know,
No,
just
but
keep
I think
doing.
everybody won in this competition.
Yeah, yeah.
Everybody had a title.
Yeah, they did. They did win.
Everybody had an award, and best part, they were being awarded for being themselves.
Yeah. for
That
being
is what
themselves.
matters the most.
Yeah.
Yes.
So after all of this, then you decided that you would get in and join hands with Gleam Diva. So that's what you're doing right now?
Yes. So now
Wonderful.
I am, of course, because for 1 year at least, this is my reign. But
Yeah.
of course, beyond 1 year also, I will always be a part of Gleam Diva.
Yeah.
And yes, so that is what we are doing right now. Promoting
Promoting, yeah.
the pageant, promoting Gleam
Absolutely.
Diva as
Something
well.
that has given you so much, you would like everybody
Exactly,
to
I
have a
would-
piece of that. You know,
Definitely.
देखो क्या possibilities है और उनको मजा आएगा फिर उस चीज से
And they
लेके।
are, matlab, the mentors at Gleam Diva Academy, at the pageant, they are actually amongst the top in the industry.
Yeah.
The training that you get from them,
Yeah.
मतलब आप by the end of it एक confident diva तो बन के निकलोगे ही और कुछ ना हो बाकी सब जो
Absolutely.
opportunities आती है वो तो cherry on the cake है ही है but you become even more confident and a better version of yourself. So
That's what,
matters.
Tabhi, and with this spirit that you have written here, I'm forgetting about competition and just cheering for each other.
Exactly.
I think that is how, I think the spirit multiplies, उससे आपके साथ बहुत सारे लोग हो जाते हैं, आप अकेले नहीं रहते,
Yes.
बहुत सारे लोग जुड़ जाते हैं आपके साथ. So, okay, this one particular thing that when we talked about that, who are you looking to inspire most you've written, you want to actually, you feel that this episode that you're shooting is for actually housewives.
Yes.
Why do you say so and what is your message to them?
I think every women, but mostly housewives, they are afraid, they are scared to get out of their comfort zone. So, to take that first step because I feel that, they fear that, if they do not follow their routine and if they do not take care of the children, take care of their traditional roles, so, their life will not go as smoothly and as comfortably as they have planned.
Yeah.
And as it is already going.
Yeah.
And, they, despite wanting to do other things, they just cannot take that step outside. But, it is, and then they start blaming their children, they start blaming their family, they start blaming the society.
Absolutely. I was telling that at maybe, when we were shooting through the entire thing, we were having this discussion and I was telling that don't blame your children for things
Not going out.
that you are not doing. आप उस बेचारे को तो पता भी नहीं है कि उसको किस बात का blame मिल रहा है.
Exactly.
Ask me. So, women out there, if you think that way, एक बार अपने बच्चों से बात करके तेरे को पता है तेरी वजह से मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है. If you have the guts, just say that to your child. Let me see and please write to me what the reaction was. And I'll be very happy because I don't think I'm going to receive even one letter in this regard.
Yes, no, but
You can't say
I was
that.
one of them. I used to blame कि नहीं मेरा बच्चा अभी बहुत छोटा है. I want to, that mom guilt kicks in. I was one of those housewives who was I was in my comfort zone only. मेरे को उस टाइम पे लगता था कि जाना है, but मेरे अंदर से ही वो था It was
देखो,
all
पता है,
within
सब
me.
आपके अंदर, I'll tell you, मेरे को बहुत से लोग पूछते हैं, and you know, our director here, Ratan Sonal, who is
Yes.
sitting over here, he was in second year and I was in first year, so he's my senior. We're talking about, you know, almost a 30 years old association,
Yes.
right? So he knows this part very well, and the person who was taking pictures, he was in fourth year,
Yes.
and I was in first year, so we are all from the same institute as well, from the art place. मेरे को, they know me for so many years, and many people ask me this thing, भाई तू इतनी चीजें करने का समय कहाँ से निकालता है? वाह, ठीक है,
Yes.
मतलब काम तो चल रहा है, तुम ये भी कर रहा है, तुम
Question
ड्रम
है।
भी बजा रहा है, तुम पेंटिंग भी कर रहा है, तुम होस्ट कर रहा है, ये क्या कहानी क्या? मेरे को ये लगता है टेकिंग अ स्टेप इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Exactly.
And
Exactly.
my particular way is that I love to walk the ocean floor. I do not like to swim just on the surface. I need to
Exactly.
drown myself into it. You know?
Totally.
So that is probably the reason why you really were excited when you started talking. Where is all that coming from? You speaking all
Yes.
day. जो चल रही है कहानी यहाँ पे.
Exactly.
So I think that's what it is, and I think when you realize that part, I think that is what kicks in and it makes a difference in you.
Exactly. And I think every woman has that power within to take that
Everyone.
first step.
In
Every
fact,
individual has that
I
power.
I think
Exactly.
every individual, you know, man or woman, everybody has that,
Exactly.
you know, that strength within. आपको बस सिर्फ कदम लेके आगे बढ़ना है. That's what I mean, you know, like you know, that 1% effort is basically the one thing that has enchained you.
Exactly.
ठीक है, अगर
Exactly.
वो बेड़ी आपने काट दी ना, आप वहां पहुंच जाएंगे जो आप सोच भी नहीं सकते. You know,
Exactly.
you will reach at that stage, you know. So now when I talk about, you know, the brand that you are going to come up with, what did you say? Artex Fashion.
Fashions.
Okay. So what is it going to be? It's like a collection of clothing and all? What's it
Yes,
like?
as I told you, it would be a
Sustainable.
collection of sustainable clothing,
Yeah.
but clothes that can be worn multiple times differently.
Okay.
So something like that. And apart from that, I'm also bringing in a factor of, you know, buying and selling those clothes as well.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So,
Okay.
you know,
Like the
so that
L'Oreal concept or something like
exactly.
that. Okay,
So,
okay.
so like a community wardrobe.
Okay.
So, yes,
Okay.
so something like that. It is not there. Like we have books ki library. I want a
Oh, so the one dress will keep
library.
rotating with so many people.
Exactly.
Oh wow.
So that is the idea behind that. So
That sounds so interesting.
Yes.
बहुत ही amazing है. I
because
think,
you know it'll be worn in different styles, so nobody would actually get to know ये तो वही थी.
Okay, okay.
So that
okay,
is the
okay.
whole idea. Because
That is the whole idea.
Yes.
Brilliant, brilliant. That's so nice to know. So that is what you're launching next year.
next year, yes.
So well, do get in touch. You're speaking to a brand building consultant.
Of course,
Yeah,
of course.
definitely. And I'm sure if
I would need a lot of help.
if I've helped Modo Caldo, I can definitely help you as well. I would love to help. It would be amazing to tell people, you know, the Mrs. World Queen pageant winner
Yes.
is my client. तो वो बोलने में
नहीं, definitely I'm coming to you for help.
हमें मौका दो उस चीज पे गौरवान्वित होने का, स्वयं पे गर्व करने का, you know, that way. Great.
Yes.
So how has the support been from your household in your entire journey?
I think you met most of them at the pageant. They were jumping with joy,
Yeah.
and the support was brilliant, amazing. I did not expect my father also to be so supportive. My father-in-law, in fact, as well.
Yeah.
So I actually told him like 3 days before the pageant that Papa, I'm going. Like क्या बात करें, आज तक हमारी फैमिली में कोई गया नहीं है ऐसे.
Wow.
So when I won and came, his reactions, and he called up everybody on his contact list. हमारे साहनी खानदान को तो उसने रोशन कर दिया है, and I felt so proud. I was like,
Absolutely.
and so humbled कि मैं पहले डर रही थी बताने से, but हुआ है तो it was really nice. So
It's
the family was very
magnanimous
supportive.
achievement. It's a magnanimous achievement.
Yes.
Definitely. So hats off. So I think, so if people you're listening to this, men who are listening and watching this episode, please support your partner, because that is the reason, they are the reason why you are still going on with what you want to do in life, At least I know, I'm sure about that in my case, because whatever, I think my wife works 10 times more than I do. Absolutely. She's also working. She's looking after the home also. मेरा क्या, मैं जाके वही कंप्यूटर पे बैठ जाऊंगा और दोबारा से कॉन्सेप्ट बनाना शुरू कर दूंगा. But the rest of it is what she's doing, So it's really amazing. एक दूसरे का साथ दोगे ना परिवार में, तो I think that is the greatest strength. Family से बड़ी कोई strength नहीं होती.
Definitely. I
Absolutely.
owe most of my win. I think a massive part of my win to my partner. If it wasn't for him, if it wasn't for his support, I don't think I would have taken that first step.
Absolutely.
That
I
first
can
step
understand.
is only from your partner's side कि नहीं तू कर मैं देख लूंगा.
हाँ,
तो वो I think वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा काम आया. And I think everybody, as you said, should be supportive of
Yeah.
each other, not only one side, of each other.
Of each other.
Yes.
Absolutely, definitely. So going forward, what are the plans that you have carrying this title? You told us about your purpose. You have told us about your brand, what you would be doing, the differentiator that it creates and the promise that it has, the
Yes.
kind of people that you are looking to get associated with, who could be your customers and who would you want to come and, collaborate with you, especially women. You have said that you want to empower them.
Yes.
Probably, it could be a community brand kind of a thing. That's a wonderful concept. And
Thank you.
going into the pageantry line again, once again, in
Yes.
that stream, what is the future?
The
What are you
road
looking
ahead,
at?
as you always encourage me, of course, it is Mrs. World.
Uh,
And because that is what I'm entitled for. I've won Mrs. World Queen.
Uh-huh.
So that makes me entitled to participate in
In Mrs.
international
World.
pageant in Mrs. World.
you should
So,
definitely
yes,
do that, and I'm sure.
that is the road ahead.
And I do not know why, but I feel that you have it in you, and you will
Thank you
definitely.
so much.
you
That
will
means so
definitely win.
much. That means a lot.
Sure. Like, definitely. I mean, you have the height and everything. You're working on yourself. क्योंकि देखो ये मेरा मानना ना, see, there is this statement, and I love saying it, especially when I'm around, such beautiful, pretty humans like Meghal herself. Beauty doesn't lie in the eye of the beholder. Beauty lies in what you do with yourself.
True.
अगर आप अपने आप को सुंदर बनाने की चेष्टा करोगे तो आप सुंदर लगना शुरू होगे. और अगर आप and if you're not cut out to be beautiful, you're not cut out to be beautiful. You're beautiful at something else. Maybe not in looking, but you might have an art that is beautiful.
Yes.
ठीक है? I believe
True.
in that. ठीक है?
Definitely.
Because नहीं तो false hopes में लोग बहुत ज़्यादा चले जाते हैं, and this kind of a statement has ruined more lives than actually give comfort to me.
Definitely.
You know?
Right.
क्योंकि लोग, there are people who are obese and they feel that they are beautiful, and somebody says, come on यार, get down to reality. वो सच कह रहे हैं. So I think आपको खुद पता है, and I am not a Mr. Universe or Mr. World material. मैं नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन maybe I'm good at something, and I'm beautiful in that. Maybe I'm a beautiful in my conversations, or very good in my conversations. Maybe that's it. ऐसे सबके अंदर कोई ना कोई हुनर है, सिर्फ उसको पहचानो
For
और उसको
sure.
अपना वो 1% बना के चल पड़ो. That's the entire thing.
Definitely, Sudarshan sir. But I would say that everybody is beautiful looking also. God की
Yeah.
creation तो
Yeah.
इतनी. Everybody looks beautiful.
Yeah,
It
definitely.
is, once you believe that you are beautiful, everybody is.
Yeah. So मेरा
Yes.
कहने का मतलब उस चीज से है,
नहीं, of course I agree to that.
हाँ, नहीं, क्योंकि I'm telling it purely in the context of the world, because the world is very cruel.
Yes.
They'll keep you in, it happens like that. बहुत लोगों को एक mystery में रखते हैं, myth में रखते हैं, and when that myth cracks,
वही.
it shatters you totally.
True.
Why shatter
True
yourself?
that.
बिंदास चलो, हम हैं जैसे हैं, बढ़िया हैं,
सबसे
बहुत
बेस्ट
बढ़िया
है.
हैं.
सबसे
Yeah,
बेस्ट है.
सबसे
You
best
have
है,
to
खत्म
believe that
कहानी.
you are the best, and you do not have to listen to those star लोग.
I'll tell you this thing. I actually practiced this once.
Yes.
The first time we got on stage as a band, we were booed out very badly. हम लोग बहुत, हमसे गलतियां होती, हमें पता नहीं था. 10 घंटे तक वेट करके स्टेज पे चढ़े. Everybody was tired. कुछ नहीं मालूम क्या करना है. And we were like hell over there, मतलब खराब.
Yeah.
Next time we were about to go on stage, after a year when we were about to go on stage, 2 of my band members were very nervous. क्या क्या होगा यार, जो प्रैक्टिस रूम में कर रहे थे वही तो रहा है. पिछली बार मेरे से गलती हुई थी, मैं तो बिल्कुल फिट हूँ. चप्पल पहन के गया था मैं स्टेज पे बजाने के लिए वहाँ पे, for a
Yeah.
competition. I'm talking when I was 21 years old,
Yeah.
22 years, ऐसे करके. कहते वहाँ जाके बस वही करना है. कहते नहीं, they must be thinking that these are the biggest idiots. वो नीचे जितने बाकी बैंड है वो यही देख रहे होंगे. मैंने कहा, if they think that way, then I'm the biggest idiot they would have ever come across, and nobody can be a bigger idiot than me. That crown belongs to me, like this crown belongs to her. And that was it. I had all the confidence, कि, okay, I'm the king
Exactly.
of idiot, let me perform. And we blew the roof off.
Exactly.
ठीक है, we literally blew the roof off. So,
I am sure.
मतलब, this is how it is. So, फेस वैल्यू पे चलो मत यार, अपने ऊपर विश्वास रखो.
Exactly. Confidently आप जितनी मर्जी stupid चीजें करो, वो बेस्ट ही निकलेंगी.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So when you say confidently and most, things, they'll turn out to be best and all that. You are also on your weight training, and you're also heading for
Yes.
Mrs. World. So on that count, I would like to gift you something So this is from one of our gifting sponsors. It is gluten-free foods,
Wow.
Arogya gluten-free foods, and they are a special concoction like none other in the entire country. So this is flour, gluten-free flour. There are some, cookies. There are some namkeen and all. This is for you
Lovely.
because I know you would be going
Yes.
practicing something like that.
I have to
So-
lose a lot of
Yeah,
weight
yeah.
right now.
So I'll connect you to a dietitian who was on
yes.
our show in the second season. Yeah,
Okay.
she helped me reduce a lot. She's turned lives around.
Perfect,
definitely. I'll
perfect.
do-
You have to share many contacts.
I'll keep it down and I'll pack it and give it to you when you're leaving. And then I'll come to the last part of the show where I have a, rapid fire round. Let's see what you do with that one,
That's a
right?
surprise.
Okay, so keeping your brand and the diva that you are and the crown that you have done and the personality that you are.
Can I wear my crown for the rapid fire?
Absolutely, please wear the crown. So
I think
that
this will
is
give
what
me
it is
more
all
power.
about. Absolutely, yes. So there we have Mrs. India Planet Official 2024 and Mrs. World Queen 2024 in front of you. Regal Sari, the beautiful, fantabulous Regal Sari with that crown, and it is such a pleasure.
Thank you.
So, the one word that you think defines entrepreneurship.
Passion.
Passion, absolutely wonderful. Couldn't get a better one from outside her, and it is bingo right on the dot, because she is passionate about what she does.
Exactly.
The worst thing that a brand owner could ever do.
Stop
Okay.
where they are. So
Stop where they are. So that's what, she is a brand owner of Mrs. India Planet. So she's not stopping. She's
you
going to
have
Mrs.
to
World.
be consistent
Absolutely.
and perseverant.
Great. The easiest way to make a brand sell.
I think marketing is the best and the easiest way, and social media right now.
Marketing.
Yes.
Now, take the seat next to me. In
And
the
social
one.
media as well.
Yeah, you're a content creator. You can get in
Yes.
touch with her. Mummy on the roll. Please check out her handle.
Exactly.
Yeah. The greatest offer you can give to a customer.
I think smiles.
Smile. So stretch that smile into a smile.
Yes.
Yeah. The one word compliment that you can give to your team.
The best.
The best.
The
always. Yeah. Because see, I seriously believe brand building and marketing all is inside out.
Yes.
घर के लोग अगर खुश नहीं है तो बाहर क्या कर लोगे
नहीं हो
आप, you know?
सकते.
So your team is the first customer that you have.
True.
Okay, number 6. The place where advertising agencies go wrong when it comes to brand building in cases like pageantries or crown winners or fashion, the way you were talking about. Yeah.
I think the wrong meaning of beauty, as you
The
said.
wrong meaning of beauty,
Yes.
absolutely, the way you have put it, Yeah.
Yes.
So true sense में समझो, natural sense में समझो.
Exactly.
I think being imperfect is so beautiful because that is
I think
what you are.
everybody
Yeah.
who is themselves
Yeah.
are infectious.
Yeah.
And they are the ones who actually are the true winners of not only in pageant, in life.
Yeah, sure. The best compliment you would love to hear regarding your brand.
It is the best.
It is the best. Yeah. Great. Outstanding. Okay, the one thing you say to yourself when you get up in the morning, the first thing.
You are the best.
You are the best. Manifestation.
Yeah,
I
best.
remember that coffee thing, and
You
I'm
have
going
to
to
be the
write
best.
a lottery for $1 million. Let me see if that comes through. I'm sure it will. One thing you say to yourself before going to sleep.
I just say Shiva before going to sleep.
क्या बात है क्या बात है बम बम बोले
Yes,
हर हर
only Shiva.
महादेव क्या बात है भोलेनाथ yes definitely also last one in this the question number 10 now that you've won the pageant how things are supposed to be done and everything so one guru tip that you would love to give to your peers who are watching this episode.
I feel one guru tip would be that never stop learning.
Never stop.
And the more feathers you add to your cap, eventually you will develop wings to fly.
क्या बात है beautiful what a
Yes,
saying I
yes.
think I need to clap on that one literally that is amazing the more feathers you add to your cap you will get wings to fly wow never looked at it that way
Exactly.
so that is what friends ये show करने का फायदा because you learn so much इतना मजा आता है that is inspiration right
Thank
there
you.
and because all the answers were so beautiful just as beautiful as you are but lot more than you so we have another gift hamper
Oh my
for you
God!
Dr. Meenu's skincare and hair care cosmetics.
Thank
it's a
you
range.
so much.
They have been our sponsors last season also. Please to use them and I would request you one thing, you were going, you have the gluten free. Please make a reel of that and put it and promote it
For
because
sure.
they are doing whatever they can to help entrepreneurs around. They would love it, and I'll ask
Wow, I love
her to get in touch with you. She's in Rajouri Garden. You know,
Really?
sweet of-
So very
one
close
of
to
the
my house.
sweetest ladies
Lovely.
you would have ever met. you know.
Lovely.
Yeah?
For sure, I'm getting in touch
Yeah.
with Dr. Meenu.
Great.
Yes.
Thank you so much. So I'll just pack it up and
Thank
I'll give it to you. And before we leave, I just have one 30-second question that
Yes.
you need to answer. You just let me know, what is your personal success mantra? Something that inspires you in spite or despite or whatever spite of everything.
So I feel that, life is too short and we need to give our 100%
Yeah.
to make our goals and our aspirations become reality. So just go, we just have to go at it. जैसे
at
आपने शुरू किया था,
Yeah.
100% के भी beyond जाके,
Yeah.
just be at it, keep at it, be consistent and you will get, वो चीजें आती रहेंगी अपने आप. So the success will eventually
eventually come.
automatically be there. Just be good at what you do.
So on that spirit, you said so close to what this person is talking about.
Wow.
Where he's telling you, first take a shot, just take a shot and do it consistently. So this is a book called Find Your White Space
Lovely.
by Dr. Vikram A. Munshi. He's a PhD doctor. His company, White Space Consulting and Capability Building, is among the top 10 healthcare management consulting companies in the country. He's an entrepreneur. He had weight issues. He had certain issues which is written. He lost how he did it. And he said how I discovered my white space and what exactly the white space for everybody is and how can you set off on your path of success.
Oh, wow.
I think it is one of the greatest pieces. It's a marvel in writing and I think you should definitely read it.
For sure. My
So
next
this
read.
is something for
Lovely.
you and I would love it that you read it and you write about it on your Insta and on
For
LinkedIn
sure.
and we'll definitely then make an arrangement where you can meet the author himself.
Lovely.
It will be amazing to meet this person because he's one of my inspirations.
For sure.
And I seldom read because when I बैठ जाता हूँ ना तो मुझे वो काम खत्म करना है. I leave everything
Right.
else. This book kicked the hell out of me. My
Lovely.
God, it is a beautiful piece of writing.
And I love
Real
reading
life.
books. So
Wonderful.
this
So
is my next
This
read.
would
For
help your
sure.
children also, it could help your husband
Lovely.
also because everybody is searching their own white space.
For sure.
So on that note, we have with us Meghal Sani, winner of Mrs. India Planet 2024 and Mrs. World Queen 2024, with us here in the studio on the sets of the Great Indian Brand Show. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Meghal, for
so
your
much.
time,
It was
for
a
being so
pleasure.
kind.
It was a
and
pleasure.
you brought us a gift also. So thank you so much for that
Thank
one as
you.
well. इसी तरीके से हम एक दूसरे के साथ चलते रहेंगे. 1% एफर्ट को मत छोड़िए. अपने 100 के ऊपर उस एक को हासिल कीजिए. दुनिया आपकी मुट्ठी में होगी. और अगर हम एक दूसरे का साथ देंगे, जैसे कि मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ, 140 करोड़ की जनता नहीं, सपोर्ट सिस्टम है. जब साथ देगा इंडिया तभी आगे बढ़ेगा इंडिया. लेट्स कीप हेल्पिंग ईच अदर एंड ऑनवर्ड ऑन आवर जर्नी टू सक्सेस, ऑन आवर ड्रीम्स. टुगेदर वी राइज एज अ नेशन, एज ह्यूमैनिटी. On the sets of the Great Indian Brand Show, signing off, coming up next week with another fabulous guest. Until then, Sudarshan R. Chittur of Jeeto Bharat Ka Dil. Alvida. Thank you.
It's rocket launching day, right on, it's time to play. All set, ready to go, far away to the show. Dressed up in silver suit, climbing up with gravity shoes. Buckled up to my seat, baby.